I drove my Tesla Model Y to Marrakesh, to Morocco, to Africa with my bro Kojo, and we have a triple Tesla mission. First, I need to fix this. I want to fix this for maybe a really good price here in Africa. Let's see. Then the car has gotten so dirty on this trip. I want to get it cleaned. Let's see how that goes, inside and outside. And my battery is empty. So we gotta fix the car, clean the car, charge the car. Let's see how it goes in Marrakesh. Join us on this adventure. At this hotel there should be a... Oh, what is this? Ay. Okay, now for real, we gotta charge the car. And I really don't like when charging stations are being blocked. And it's so unnecessary. Like, why would you park your car at the supercharger when there's open parking? There's open parking, there's more free spots over there. It's just unnecessary. Just the only thing I could imagine is that they don't really get what it is. Like, it's just like, yeah, whatever, I just park here. At the same time, it's also, I mean, to be honest, there are not that many Teslas here. So if there's 2 open spots, the odds of 3 Teslas trying to charge at the same time are basically 0. I'm not sure if they think these thoughts and do the math. I don't know. Charging speed is at 120 kilowatts. So this is the fastest we've been charging in Morocco, because finally we're charging with a empty battery, which means fast charging. Energy is flowing. I'm in a good state overall. We're gonna have lunch soon, and of course, clean the car. Gotta clean the car. As you probably know, there's a bunch of superchargers in Europe, and in Africa there are none, never been any, but now they started building superchargers in Morocco. So we have 6 of them. Those 5 that we can reach with our range, and this one in the city close to Spain. So we have 6 superchargers, and those superchargers helped us to get here. So it's really cool to see that Tesla's building superchargers in Africa, and there are hopefully more to come. On the way back, we are trying to go to Munich without superchargers. So we want to see how good the charging infrastructure is outside of the supercharger network. That will probably be a little bit challenging, especially in Morocco, I guess. We haven't really planned it out yet, but I'm also looking forward to that. But now, on the second mission, but now on this mission, just charging the car, and then continuing with washing it and fixing it. Full! The nice man in our hotel told us a neighborhood where there's many car repair shops. So we're going there and trying to get the dent out of the car. Also, we're trying to not collect more dents on the way there, but I'm getting more used to the crazy traffic. So I think I can do it. Okay. This might be good. So we just got the neighborhood from the guy at the hotel where there are many repair shops. So we drove there and we saw this shop. There's a Porsche. That's a good sign. Deka, that's a trusted brand in Germany. So we're like, okay, let's ask. And the guy looked at it and he was like, yeah, maybe we can do something about it. I got a shop over there. Just follow me. So now we're gonna follow him. C'est un problème, on peut réparer ça ou pas? Comment? On peut réparer ça?
On démonte, on chauffe un peu, on redresse, on refait la peinture.
Oui? Okay. So they told us that they might be able to help us for 15 euros. Je mets ça ici? Ouais, bon, 40. Aïe. Okay, after only 2 minutes of work, it already looks so much better. Let's hope that the
the sensor doesn't get any damage out of this.
This was so cool, they were so friendly, so I tried to tip them, and they was like, no, only the cashier can accept money. Like, but we're in a car repair shop, like, why can I not tip you money? Like, you're really nice and made this really good in 5 minutes. Like, no, can't accept. So now I have to see how I can tip them. So I ended up paying 350. So they charged me 250, which is about $25 or 25 euros. And then I finally was able to give them 100 extra. So 35 bucks, euros or dollars, and this thing is fixed. And I just love how this went. Like, I just met somebody, like, follow me, okay, follow the guy. There's some cool people there, like, boom, dent out. And now mission number 1 complete. Still dirty as hell, the car. Okay, we gotta clean the car. There's too many trash and empty bottles here. So we found this garbage can. Let's do this first before we have the car cleaned professionally. Just coming back from lunch, and the guy we found at the parking lot, he said he wants 30 dirhams, so it's 3 euros or $3. Said, yeah, of course, I'm not gonna negotiate with that, gonna give him a big tip. And so we're coming back, and he's already, like, done basically. Look at this car. Like, I love my car when it's clean. Like, I always love it, but I really see the beauty. The beauty comes out when it's clean, of course. And now that the dent is gone, obviously you still see scratches, and the wrap is kind of off, but it looks so much better. And when you look at it from a distance, it's not like the first thing you see is that there's a big issue in the front. It's just get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get out of here. It's just how good it looks. Wow. Man, come on, this is so cool. What a successful day. Statement? You can now officially dislike the video, it's fine, I get it. We're also gonna clean the interior. It's dirty after so many kilometers. My friend Kojo, he wrote his name with dust. And yeah, I mean, we drove a lot and the streets were sandy. Let's see how he can do it. I don't think there's a battery vacuum machine thing going, but let's see. Maybe he will surprise us or he has another creative solution. And we are done. Kojo's handwriting is gone. The dirt is way less. It's really good for, like, just doing this quick and spontaneously in a parking lot. And he's super nice. And we got it done. Loving it. Like, this car is so much better when it's clean, obviously. Like, oh yeah. Alright, yo, this was great. Just talked to the guy also a little bit, and he told me that he's worried that because the aircon was on, and there was always wind blowing in his face when he was in the car, and he was worried that the battery might die. And I told him, don't worry, the battery is really big and it's full. Like, you can leave the aircon on as long as you want. It's not gonna affect it very much. And I mean, it's clean. All good in the back as well, in the front. And the one thing he apparently did not want to touch is the screen. Damn those fingerprints. But whatever, it's all good. It's all good. What a great day. Like, just doing a spontaneous mission here in Africa, clean the car, the dent, the charging, and everything worked out. And, you know, just smile at people, you go at them, talk to them and see what's up, and usually things work out and everybody's really helpful and tries their best to give a great experience for tourists in a foreign country. And I really enjoyed this. Hopefully you like this little spontaneous video, and this is it. And this guy is a proper weirdo, but we're used to that already. The car is gorgeous. See ya.